Hey guys, how are you doing? I wanted to do a demo of the Finishing Touch Flawless Face Shaver. I went to Walmart last week to get one. I had gotten one for my daughter for Christmas there, and I forgot to say welcome back to my bathroom. Anyway, I had gotten her one for Christmas, and she said it does really well with the peach fuzz. And so I have my mustache here in peach fuzz, and I'm really flaky. So I'm really curious to see if it's going to do anything to take care of the flakiness, if it will exfoliate. So Walmart didn't have them. The guy in the cosmetic area looked up on his phone or his tracker or whatever it is. And you can only get them online at this point. So I went to Amazon and I found these, and they're $19.99 because Mike has Prime. I asked him to order it for me, so he did, and we got free shipping. But these come in different colors. So I got this pretty rose gold. They had one in a purple, I think, a blue, a black, and then the original white. And gentle on all skin types, no bumps, no redness, no irritation. And I watched a lot of videos to make sure that this was something that was a good product. You know, it's an as seen on TV, so those can be kind of hit and miss. So I am going to demonstrate this for you, but before that, I wanted to show you a couple of things that I've gotten. I was watching Kelly McKelly's videos recently, and she has eczema, as do I. And so I went to Walmart and I got this, and this works really well. It has colloidal oatmeal in it, but it also has dimethicone. And I think that's the trick for why it works so well, because it locks in the moisture. And I don't mind dimethicone. I don't think it's a bad thing. But then when I went back, I saw this Eczema Smoothing Moisturizing Cream. And this is really good too. Both of them are fragrance free. This colloidal oatmeal is the active ingredient in it. So those have been helping. Thank you, Kelly. Oh, and I also got, she recommended the Dove Daily Exfoliating Body Wash. I think that's what it's called. So I got one of those at Walmart, and I'm happy with it. It works well. Another thing is, since I've gained weight, man, I don't know. It's the never-ending battle that it just never changes. But because of that, my bras were getting a little snug around the band. So instead of buying new bras, I went on Amazon and I got these on eBay. I have a set of black, and I got a set of the nude cream, whatever you want to call it, color. They work really well. So if you're in the same boat I am, I'm in the fat boat. So if you're in the same boat that I am and your bras are getting small around the band, this is a great way to do it. I think this was $5 ship maybe for the 3 of them. So they work beautifully, wash beautifully, dry beautifully, no problem. They're a quality product. I'll try to remember to link everything below. And a little update on my beauty blender. I really like this, but I was reading online because when I wash it, pink dye comes out. Plus, I have a little chip in there. I've only had it not even a month. And they said that the dye should wash out in 2 washes. Well, no, it keeps washing out. I don't know why they have to do that. They say it won't show up on your skin, but why do you have to have all the extra dye in there that's just going to wash out? That just seems stupid to me. So I might be looking at another beauty sponge, but I really, really do like this a lot. Okay, so I'll be back once I get the battery in. I don't have the battery in yet, but this is the packaging, and it has this plastic over the top. There is the razor shaver, the battery, and the cleaning brush that you clean the head with. And then you get directions. What is this? You can get 10% off your next flawless purchase if you give feedback. I hope I don't need to buy another one. Where you can get replacement heads. That's good to know. And then this must be all of the directions. So installing, changing the battery, cleaning. I don't know, I think it's probably pretty self-explanatory. Being a retired hairstylist, I've had a lot of experience using different shaver, razor, clipper type of things. So I'll be back. I guess I'm going to show you how this works. So you take the cap off and you have a little sticker here that says slide gold switch up to turn on. I'm going to peel that off. I don't need that. And then here on the bottom it says use in circular motion, and to peel that off. But this is how you get to the battery compartment. You just pull it apart. Here's the compartment, and okay. Oh, there it is. I was looking for the positive and negative parts of the battery, and then you slide it back on. There you go. Here's the head, and it just unscrews, and you use the little brush to clean it. So really nice little unit. Are you ready? Boy, that's quiet. I don't know where the microphone is. Can you hear that? And there's the little light. So let's go ahead and try this out. Now I have my mirror here, so I'm not sure how this is going to work. This is probably going to be really awkward. I'm going to try. Oh, there I can see. It's very quiet. Ooh, that's all gone. It's very quiet. It is pain-free. I don't feel any grabbing. Look at how flaky I am. I'm not sure if I want to continue using Retin-A or not. The little bullet razor does get warm, but it feels kind of good. I'm looking at the mirror here. But it got that peach fuzz off of the mustache. I had seen somebody's video where she compared this to the old finishing touch with a little comb type razor, and this one worked a lot better in her comparison of the two. Oop, it grabbed, don't let it grab your hair. It grabbed my hair there. Keep your hair out of the way. It's not doing much for the flaking. Keep your hair out of the way. It just, all it did was it grabbed it and tugged it, so I mean, it's no big deal. Yeah. Well, that's what I'm going to do so far. So let's see what we have in here. What? Ooh. Look at the fuzzies, and you can see the long hair that it grabbed. So that's all my peach fuzz. That's quite a bit, you guys. Let me scoop it out. So you just take the little brush, I mean, that's self-explanatory, and just scoop it out. Oh, how cute. My little bundle of fur. My little bundle of face for, look at that. That's what it got off. That's amazing. Just a little bit of peach fuzz. It's hard to hold it. Oh, hang on. My little ball, my little ball of fur. Yeah, that's great. Didn't do much, like I said, it didn't do much for my peeling, but it sure got rid of the peach fuzz. And it is painless. And it did warm up a little bit, but as I said, I kind of like that. It felt good on my skin. Oh, there's the long hair stuck right in there. Can you see that? There it is. Let's get rid of that. So there's that. Oh, there's some here in the cap. Okay, well, we need to clean that out too. I love shaving my face, but I'm getting to the point, you know, my skin is definitely not as firm as it used to be. And so using regular razors makes me nervous because you have to be so careful to keep the skin taut and tight to not cut yourself. So I'm very happy with this. I would say if you are thinking about getting it, get it. Especially if you are worried about it not working well, you might not like it. You might want to get it on Walmart.com. I got mine on Amazon because I know at Walmart you can return stuff. I mean, that their return policy is so generous. So anyway, well, thanks so much for watching, you guys. And let me know if you've tried this, what you think of it. I like it. I give it a 2 thumbs up. It worked great. It's very pretty, and it comes in different colors online, so for me it's a win-win situation. All right, you guys, you take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.